Hi, this is Holly Olson with my submission for enhancement 5. So in the in the feedback from the last, what's it called? The last enhancement, you told me I didn't show you the pages, so I'm showing you the pages. This is my products page, and I've got everything in there that I need. I'm going to show you the validation for it. It doesn't like any of the PHP, nor does it like the doc type HTML tag. And this one's so long because it's saying it doesn't like that, and also because it doesn't like this PHP code. It doesn't like any of the PHP codes. Now I'll show you my category page, and I've got everything in there that I'm supposed to and how I'm supposed to have it. And the validation for it doesn't like the doc tab, and it says all of these is error, but it's just talking about the actual line 15, which is the PHP code. Excuse me. This is for my products management page. It excuse me, everything is in it properly, and as you can see, I've got everything in it that I need. And we'll go back here. It doesn't like the doc type HTML tag, and again it's saying all of these is an error because of just the PHP code, and then the PHP code in this and here. And then on my CSS, here's all my lovely CSS. And then I will show you there's no errors with that. And I'll show you my other pages that I skipped over to show you the validation. This is my this is my index page. I have everything in it that I need, and everything that I added in there is in there, and it's in there properly. And then I have my functions, my custom functions page, and everything is in that properly also. Now I'm going to show you my Acme products page. It takes me to products management. I'll go to add new category. Let's add a saw. So we'll submit it, and it takes me back to product management page, and it shows you that I've added the saw. But first, I didn't show you what happens when there's nothing added. It tells you to please fill out the page. But if I do the non-validate and push it, it tells me please provide information for all empty fields. So the server side and the client side validations are working. And let me go back to the product management page to add a new product. As you can see, let's just say I want to add an explosive, and then I'll try out. It tells me that I need to give it a name to fill it out the rest of the way. But if I push the non-validate, so the client side validation is working, and I just put non-validate, and it takes me back up here, and the server side validation is working because it says please provide information for all empty fields. Now I will finish filling this out. Explosive, seek out and destroy. I know some of the words are wrong. Description, it will find anything it is searching for. There's no product image. There's no thumbnail. As you can see from before, I had been able to put in the $sign, but not anymore. We'll say that it's $1,234. The availability, there's 278 of them. The product size, as you can see, I had put feet and inches before and words in, and it doesn't like that. So let's say this is 3 feet, and before I put in 24 pounds or 0 pounds, but it won't let me do that now because of the filter I added. I'll say it's 2 pounds. Its location is in Cowabunga land. And the vendor is, you found me. Sorry, my cursor was in the way. You found me. And it is made of many things. And I'll add it. And as you can see on the client side, it says, thanks for adding Seek Out and Destroy. We will all enjoy it. And if I go in here into the database, as you can see, let me refresh this and it'll have saw on there. And now I'll go to inventory, and this is Seek Out and Destroy. Here it is. It has all the information. It put in the decimal point, and there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this recording and that I covered everything.